call me Bob because it's not my name. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install the GET ECU. It's the SX1 on, let me double check this. This is the SX1 Pro ECU from Taco Moto. This one I got with the it's the ECU with the LED switch and the Wi-Fi module. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. Alright guys, so we got the ECU in. Let me show you what I did here. I got it mounted into the bracket, modified the bracket, had to cut this end off and trim the rubber. I routed the wiring down here up into the frame. Got to clip that along the harness up here. And I wired the Wi-Fi module up here. It's a little bit different than what I saw in the video. But I went ahead and just zip tied it here. Mounted it here. Seems to be pretty solid, small, light. And then I mounted the LED switch here. So I went ahead and calibrated the throttle position. That was a little bit different than the video too, because all it did was just a single calibration. It didn't have to do the upper and lower. And that's about it. All I have to do now is just to verify that the idle is set correctly, and that I can take it for a spin. Alright, so what are my impressions? Man, it made a difference. That low end is better, and it hits really good. The power rolls on really smooth, but the power comes on with power. So it's even more than it was before. But it's very, very controllable compared to the old ECU. In a future video, I'll get into the map switch here and some of the different functions of it. I did switch back and forth between the two. And the map 2 is that, you know, more controllable for more technical stuff, and it just feels a little bit more manageable when you're trying to do some slower stuff, tighter stuff. So time will tell. We'll give it a try out over time here and let you know how it goes. That's it for today. So remember, if you're driving autocross or riding trails, bob and weave.